Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. Today I am going to share 4 easy and beautiful DIY greeting card ideas for birthday. It is very easy to make these cards. All you need is just white A4 paper and some sketch pens or brush pens or color pencils, whatever you have at home. So let's begin with the first card. For this I have taken A4 paper which I have folded into half. Then using a ruler, I have drawn lines as shown. Next I am making small circles. Then again using a ruler, I am making a cake design here. Just follow the steps as I have shown here and you will be able to make a easy and very beautiful greeting card. Here I am using black sketch pen, but you can also use a marker or a black ball pen as well. Next I am making some balloons on the sides. We can now color this. Here I have used sketch pens, but you can also use crayons or color pencils. Next I am making small stars all around the card. And finally I am writing happy birthday at the bottom of the card, and you can see a simple and beautiful card is now ready. You can make it look more colorful by adding more colors as well. Now let's move on to the second card. For this again I have taken A4 paper. Then using a ruler and a sketch pen, I have drawn a line diagonally. Then draw small lines and hearts as shown. Color as shown. Here I have used only two colors, red and peach, but you can also make a multicolor card using color combinations that you like. Next I am making a cake design. And next I am going to color it. Then draw a design as shown and color it. Finally, write happy birthday at the bottom. And a cute card is now ready. You can write whatever message you want inside the card. Now let's move on to the third DIY card. For this I have again taken an A4 paper which I have folded into half. Then using a circular lid and a sketch pen I have drawn circle. Next, using a ruler, draw lines as shown. We can now color this with our favorite colors. You can see how beautiful and colorful our card is now looking. Next, draw designs as shown. We can now color it. Finally, I have cut out a strip of paper and I am gluing it at the bottom, and then I am writing happy birthday. Finally, our third DIY card is also ready. Now coming to the last and final greeting card, I have again taken an A4 paper which I have folded into half. Then using a ruler and a sketch pen, draw small lines as shown. Yes, I am making a birthday cake design here. This is a very simple way of making a birthday cake. Just follow the steps as I have shown here and you will be able to make a beautiful 3-tier cake. Then I am making a border as well. Once the design is ready, we can now color it. You can see how easy and beautiful it was to make all these 4 cards. All you need is just 5 minutes of your time and some colors along with white paper to make a heartfelt greeting card for your friends and family. You can write whatever message you want inside the card. I have just shown the designs for the outer part. Next I am drawing small stars and writing happy birthday on top. And our 4th DIY card is also ready. Which of these 4 cards you like the most? Do share it in the comments below. So I hope you all liked the video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will be back with another video very soon. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.